What are you waiting for? This is easy.
This is where you get inspired. Welcome to my happy place.
Now this recipe is a modern day classic and you're absolutely going to love it. We're going to put it bang on top. We've then created our crown. I mean, I would love to cook that for the Queen.
Hey guys, quiet on set. I'm cheesing here. This is a good bite.
It has like that orangey, yellowy color that you want from a grilled cheese, that like for your childhood.
It almost looks like there's a crust of cheese on the bottom.
I heard it might be called a cheese crown. I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh my God, something delicious has happened here.
It's a little aggressively greasy. I'm not that mad about it.
Oh, so good.
This is delicious. Salty, crispy, cheesy, amazing.
The crispy layer of cheese is excellent. The cheese is super flavorful.
Yeah, yeah.
This seems questionable.
Is it like a Reuben?
Is that grilled cheese?
Just on looking at it, I think there's like onions in here, sauerkraut,
Cabbage? Kimchi?
Pickles?
a vegetable,
Leeks?
leeks.
Leeks? No.
Prosciutto and leek grilled cheese?
Whatever.
It's good.
It kind of tastes like a Cuban.
It's not terrible, but I'm not really getting a lot of cheesiness, really.
I'm upset.
You don't think it's a good grilled cheese? You think it's a good sandwich?
Those aren't the same thing at all, so I don't know how I'm supposed to compare them.
Hands down vote #1.
I'm gonna go with like the classic one that has like the orange and the yellow and all the good cheese in there.
I mean, the Brits should know how to make a good grilled cheese.
Antoni, just keep it simple.
You're not Beyonce.
Can I have another bite?
Okay, I'm gonna take this and go.
But I'm over it. Maybe I'm not over it.
Maybe you're
I'm bringing it up
not.
again.
I think I did really well today. Just want you to know that.